Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Cooking show is amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, we know that Christmas is all the way so far, but you know me, I'm always baking my Jamaican rum fruit cake every year, and I normally show my fans them how to soak the fruits. Basically, I'm just gonna give you a nice, lovely, quick idea how you can soak your fruits for roughly about 12 months or 8 months or 10 months. You know what I mean? Soak your fruits and get prepared ready for Christmas and for the Christmas cake. So I'm just going to give you and share a simple little recipe which you can do also this year for your Jamaican black cake or rum fruit cake. It's just going to be very easy, simple. Some raisin, red lemon wine, white rum, and soak it and get it prepared for Christmas. We know that we only about 10 months left for Christmas, but it's good to start to soak your fruits. Anyway, 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be happy and I will be thankful of that. So guys, stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And as I said, my name is Chef Ricardo, and we will do the best for the fans. Alright, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, I have a big container right here which I'm going to be used to soak my fruits in here. I'm just gonna give you a load on what's happened with the fruits. Alright, this is just only raisin. I've been using, last year I used raisin to bake my cake and it was fantastic. A lot of people use different kind of fruits. Some people use mixed fruits. If you want to use mixed fruits, you can buy a pack of mixed fruits. This is only 500 grams of raisin. As you can see, 500 grams of raisin. You can soak like 1 pound of raisin, 2 pound of raisin, or 1,000 grams, or you know what I mean. But I'm just gonna be soaking 500 grams of raisin. So what I'm going to do is simple. Remove the top part of the fruits. As you can see, this is just only raisin. Nice, let's taste it. Fantastic. So I'm going to be pouring it straight on the side of this bottle. Nice one. Then I have some Jamaican red label rum. This one is just a little bottle of white rum right here. As you can see, 3/4 bottle of white rum. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be pouring all of it inside of it. You can add your favorite rum what you like to use, but I just use Jamaican white Ray and Neville rum, really strong. So we got the fruits, we got the raisin inside of it already, and then I just put in the rum. So now I have some red label wine. I'm gonna be pouring some red label wine inside of it. And I got some more. One. So let's see where the fruits cover the rum, the red label wine. Nice one. Yeah, that's exactly what I need to see. Yeah, so as you can see right there, that's the amount of fruits and red label wine I've been gonna be soaking for 12 months or 11 months. So if you want to add more fruits or more red label wine, if you want to add more mixed fruits, you can add mixed fruits. You can add a lot of stuff, mixed peel, anything you want to add into it and soak it for 12 months. But once I do this, I'm just gonna be showing my fans them once I do this, that's it. I'm never gonna be open back this until Christmas. Alright, before Christmas I will be baking my fruit cake. I have a fruit cake coming up very soon which I'm going to be baking, but I'm not going to be soaking the fruits for that one. I'm just going to be showing one of my fans how to bake that Christmas rum fruit cake. So I'm just going to be putting on this until Christmas before I open it. So this is another way how you can also soak your fruits ready for Christmas. And as you can see, that's it right here. And I have also more fruits which you can also soak if you like to, but that's it. So guys, it's just tips and ideas getting yourself ready for Christmas, you know what I mean, soaking your fruits. You know, when you're gonna bake your rum fruit cake, you can soak that for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, whatever you want to soak it. You can soak it for 2 years. So it just tips and ideas how you can do things at home. So guys, enjoy. Please leave your comments below, tell me what you like, and as I say, 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be happy. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica, and stay tuned. See you next time. Bye bye.